to the chart. Okay. Now look at market is trending upward, right? Market is already trending upward in this market. Market is trending what? To the upside, right? Market is trending to the upside. So immediately this particular zone broke, so many people will be looking to short from this zone, right? But as a professional trader that you are not looking to dive in from this particular zone, because there are some certain things that you need to see. Okay, some people will treat it as a breakout, right? There are some certain things that you need to see in the market that will make you to say, okay, I'm buying from this market. Like for example, this is a pullback, right? People want to buy from this zone, all right? People want to buy from this zone, but me as a professional trader, I don't want to buy. Why do I not want to buy? Because I've seen that the market has not created any form of liquidity. This is just a break of a former resistance, right? It does not create a proper liquidity for me to gather, right? That the market is about to go up, because definitely the market can just get to this zone, right? And just drop back down. Okay, so we don't want that. That will now make us to lose money from the market, right? Now, let me take it to this. Now, look at this structure, right? Market has broken out from this resistance zone. So as a good trader that I am, I'm not going to enter a trade from here. I'm not going to take a trade from this zone, right? Any breakout from here. I'm not going to take a trade from there, right? So how do I take a trade? Now, look at this structure. Look at this structure at this top here. Look at this. See this structure? Now, you can see that the market has created this double top, right? This market has created a double top, which serve as liquidity in the market, of which the market has already broken out from. Okay. Now, this is number one confirmation for me to know that this price will definitely continue to be bullish, because market has swept that liquidity, right? So I'll be looking to take a long position from this zone, right? I'll be looking to take a long position from this zone after a close of the 1 hour candlestick above this level, right? A close above the 1 hour candlestick at that level, right? Then you wait for that candlestick, wait for that candlestick to be taken out from that zone. That is where you are going to enter the trade, place a stop loss below that candlestick. Why am I telling for this trade? Because I saw this double top, right? So you will not take a trade when you do not see a structure like this, maybe a double top that has been taken out. Okay, that is where you know that the pullback is valid. No matter the pullback is going to buy from that zone. So I don't want to take a trade where we can see that there's only one top right here, which is not we see that there's only one top right there, which is not give you a stronger confirmation that the price may continue going up. Okay, it will not give you that the price will continue going up. So that one is not a strong confirmation that the price will continue to go. So this is the structure you should be looking at to buy from when the market is trending at a resistance. That is a valid break. So let's go. Maybe the market is now trending. Look at this structure, guys. Look at this structure I'm giving you right here. Look at this structure. Maybe the market, you can see that clearly here, the market is trending to the upside. It's trendy, right? It's trending to the upside, right? So when market get to this zone, right? When market get to this zone, you can see this double you have to wait for this structure to form. You can see something. People call it head and shoulder, right? So when market break that zone at that level, when market break out of that level, when market break out of that level, this level, it's a strong confirmation for me that the price will definitely continue to sell. So you just wait for a breakout of the 1 hour candlestick at this zone. Wait for the next red candlestick to form at that zone. Then at the breakout of that red candlestick, then you take your continuation. It's a strong confirmation that the market is going to to buy. What about in a scenario where this particular structure is not being formed? You don't want to take that trade. You don't want to take that trade because it's not a strong evidence for you to enter the market. Okay. So I'm going to make this video as brief as possible. So look at this. Look at this zone. Let me take it back. Look at this structure, guys. Look at this structure. Look at this structure I'm showing you right here. All strong. So look at this structure, guys, that I'm showing you right here. Okay. Look at what market did at this structure. I don't know why this thing is look at this structure I'm showing you guys. You can see that the market was move up. It's trending to the upside, right? It's trending to this upside. Now, at this particular zone, when the market broke out from this level, that so when the market breaks out from this zone, people will be looking to short the market after this retest. But as a professional trader you are not going to what? To take that what? From sell from there. So you have to wait for the market to come back to this. This now has become a what? A supply zone and resistance, right? It has now become a supply zone, and that is where you should be looking for price. You need to wait for price to cool back with that zone, and this is where I'll be looking to short the market. Okay, so that is where I'll be looking to what? To short the market from, because I know that the market is definitely going to sell from that zone. Okay, so that is where I'll be looking for selling opportunity. Now look at this structure that I also draw here, guys. You can see that the market did not give me any form of double bottom here. So where am I looking for to sell from right now is this particular zone. Guys, that's the particular zone I'll be looking to short the market from. Short position. This is where I'll be looking to short the market from. Let me see. So that is zone I'll be looking for to short the market. This is where I'll be looking to short the market from that second supply that has been formed. Okay, from that second supply that have been formed. So guys, these are the structures. You can still go and jot them down and study it so that you understand what I'm saying. So, but if you don't understand, you can always reach me, drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to give you a full details on that. So let's go straight to the chart and let's see some examples of what I'm talking about. So firstly, we are going to look at this. So what do you see in this chart? You can see that the market is bullish, right? So I want to draw my trend line at this zone. I want to draw a trend line at this zone, right? Now look. Now, people will be looking to long the market. This is a resistance, right? People will be looking to long the market from here. And you can see that what happened, the market just deep down. The market just take them out, right? Why? Because the liquidity there has not been formed. Okay, assuming market get to this zone, this is where I should be looking for a good buying opportunity. This is where I'll be looking for a good buy opportunity. Assuming the market formed that, you have to wait for the market to give you what you want, right? Before you can decide to say, okay, this is a good buy. Now look at this structure. Market go up to this zone, right? It came down. It came here. Assuming the market came down to this level, right, and go down before taking this move, that is a good opportunity for you to enter the market. So after this break of this candlestick here, this red candlestick, so you just want to place your entry right? You just want to place your entry at this level. It would have been putting your stop loss below it should have been a good buy. But since the market did not give you such confirmation, so you don't want to enter the market at that zone. You don't want to enter the market at that zone. So now look at now the market came down here, right? See what I'm saying? Market came down to this level. You can see a good sell that occur. You might have cut this trade. Guys, as I'm doing this, please, I'm doing this analysis on my 1 hour time frame. Now look at what happened. The market did this, right? Okay, at this level, you can see. So what happened? What happened where the market broke out of that level? The market broke out of this level, right? It's a good confirmation for you to sell. So you just wait. Since the market broke out from that level, so you just wait from this. Since it broke out from that level, right? So you just wait for the market to what? Since it broke, you can see that the market is bullish, right? This candlestick is very massive, so you don't want to take trade because after the close of this red candlestick, after the close of this red candlestick, the market is so wide, so you don't want to take that kind of thing because your stop loss will be so wide, so wide, okay? So you don't want to take that kind of trade. So let's look at another example. Now look at this. Let me draw it. Why I would have taken a buy from this. Just you mark a trend line, right? Look at what happened. The market did this. The market came down to this level. Give us this, and it broke out, came down. Now look at the level has been formed there. Look at this. The level has been formed. This is the level, right? This is the level that was formed. So this, when it broke out, right? When it broke out, it become a very good confirmation. Like it's a good confirmation that the market must definitely go up because there's a lot of liquidity that will be swept right there. So since the market just broke out, since the market broke out from this level, you can see the breakout here. You wait for this 1 hour candlestick red. After the break, you look for your long position and target like 1 to 3 in the market. Okay. If you want to take your trade from, put your stop loss below that, you target 1 to 3, which is 30. You can see that the market played out successfully. It's as simple as that. All you need to do is just for you to wait for the what? For the confirmation. Okay. Let's see another example right here. Look at this structure, right? Market was trending up, down. I draw my trend line. Now this is the level we are looking at. This is the level we are looking at right now. Now look at this was what? Liquidity that need to be what? Taken out. Okay. So after a break, we want to wait. So let's draw this structure very well. This is it. So after this breakout, we want to see a pullback. So after this break of this candlestick that is here, this red candlestick, you can see that price has closed above that candlestick, right? So you want to take your buy from this level, putting your stop loss at this level, then targets your 1 to 3, which is 30. You can see how the market played out successfully. So it's just for you to be patient and wait for the setup to play and execute your trade. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, because I'm going to be dropping more educative video like this, okay? In my next video, I'm still going to give you other confirmation entry when market is in a downtrend, okay? In my next video. So please follow me for more of this video. Okay, follow me for more of this video. And if you have any question, please do not forget to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to respond to every comment. Okay, so guys, see you in my next video. Bye.